The power of a tidy house, finding delight in cleaning. A tidy house not only provides a visually pleasing environment, but also offers a range of positive feelings that can greatly impact our overall well-being. In the next few minutes, we will explore why focusing on the positive emotions associated with a clean home can transform the mundane task of cleaning into a delightful journey towards a better life. The benefits of a tidy house. A tidy house goes beyond just appearances. It has the power to uplift our spirits and enhance our daily lives. Here are some key reasons why embracing the positive feelings of a clean home is essential. 1. A sense of accomplishment. When we focus on the positive emotions that come with a tidy house, cleaning becomes more than just a chore. It becomes an opportunity to create a sense of accomplishment. The satisfaction of seeing a clean and organized space can boost our self-esteem and motivate us to tackle other tasks with the same enthusiasm. 2. Improved mental clarity. A clutter-free environment promotes mental clarity and reduces stress. When our surroundings are organized, our minds can focus better, leading to increased productivity and a greater sense of calmness. By prioritizing the positive feelings that a tidy house brings, we can create a peaceful sanctuary that nurtures our mental well-being. 3. Enhanced creativity. A clean and organized space can stimulate creativity and inspire new ideas. When we eliminate distractions and create an environment that supports our creative endeavors, we open ourselves up to endless possibilities. By embracing the positive emotions associated with a tidy house, we can unlock our creative potential and explore new avenues of self-expression. 4. Improved physical health. Maintaining a clean and tidy house involves regular physical activity, which contributes to improved physical health. Engaging in cleaning tasks such as vacuuming, dusting, and organizing can provide a moderate form of exercise, helping us stay active and fit. By focusing on the positive feelings that arise from a clean home, we can view cleaning as a beneficial activity for our overall well-being. Conclusion: choosing to concentrate on the positive emotions that a tidy house can provide is a transformative mindset. By shifting our perspective, we can turn the mundane task of cleaning into a delightful journey towards a better life. The sense of accomplishment, improved mental clarity, enhanced creativity, and improved physical health are just a few of the many benefits that come with embracing the positive feelings of a clean home. So, let's prioritize the positive emotions that arise from a tidy house and create a space that nurtures our well-being and inspires us to live our best lives. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.